Hi friend and welcome to my channel! Let's draw a cute Easter bunny with some colorful legs. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw the nose with a V-shaped line and a curved line. Draw the muzzle with a vertical line and 2 semicircles. Make a U-shaped line for the mouth. Now trace the outline of the head with 3 semicircles. Draw a tuft of hair on his forehead with 3 V-shaped lines. Now draw 3 whiskers for each cheek. Draw the first ear with a curved line, an inverted U-shaped line, and another curved line. Then draw the inner line of the ear that follows the shape already drawn. Do the same thing for the second ear. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw an Easter egg and 3 horizontal lines inside it. Draw the rabbit's first front paw with a semicircle and 2 diagonal lines. Then draw the second paw. Draw the first hind leg with an inverted U-shaped line, 2 curved lines, a curved line for the thigh, and a diagonal line for the body. Draw 1 large ellipse and 3 small ones inside the paw. Do the same thing for the second paw. Draw another Easter egg, two horizontal lines inside it, and 2 lines made with many small semicircles. Now draw the third Easter egg. Draw 4 diagonal lines and 5 small circles inside it. Now trace the tuft of grass with many lines in an inverted V shape, like I do. Then, draw a long curved line for the loam. Wow! Our rabbit turned out really well! Good job! Now let's do the colors. Use black for the eyes and mouth. Use pink for the ovals on the paws, nose, and inside of the ears. Color the legs, body, head, and ears with light blue. Use green to color the grass. Use orange for the egg circles, the first row of the center egg, and the center of the other egg. Use yellow for the top of the middle egg and the stripes of the first egg. Use red for the diagonal parts of the third egg, for the small band of the central egg, and for the remaining parts of the first egg. Use purple for the third egg and the middle one. Excellent! Our Easter bunny with its cheerful eggs turned out really well and is ready to play with you. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!